Hey guys, today's been very long and tiring. I had to go to court again today, and then I had to go file some more paperwork. So I really haven't been able to do any of the Black Amy 365 today, and I'm so tired, guys. I don't even think I did duality or anything, and I'm all dry and stuff. I'm just tired, guys. I'm ready to go home. But when I get home, I gotta go file some more paperwork. So I'm just like, oh my God. But I want to just stop and just thank my ancestors and those around me who have given me the know-how to take care of the business that I am taking care of. It is really, really hard. So right now, without giving you much details, I'm in the first appellate court, and I do like that court because you get to file everything electronic, right? But it's paperwork, and if you don't file the right one, then you got to do it all over again, and and all this stuff. The good thing though is they let you know, hey, you didn't file this right, or hey, you got to file this again. So then you got to go and do your research. So that's what I've been doing the last 3 days. So I've been trying to file an extension. Initially, I thought I could just request an extension and the courts would grant it. This is for the appellate court. However, with the application for extension, you need to file a stipulation and get an agreement with the attorney. And I'm just like, nah. So I did more research. And then I ended up submitting something. And then I ended up getting something from the attorney. So when I get home, I get to check out what that actually is. Hopefully it's the stipulation. And then I'll get my extension to file a response brief. So that's what's going on, y'all. I'm filing briefs, and I'm not even an attorney, but this is a path that I am interested in taking, and so I'm taking all the things that I don't know, and the things that they like stop me or reject as a learning curve. But today I ended up going to court for something else. And today the clerks kind of upset me at the Oakland, I think it's the Franklin courthouse, because they should be filing stuff when you go there and you submit paperwork. They should be filing it, and they just mark received. And it's just so frustrating because they've lost my paperwork before. And so by me not getting paperwork that is filed, it just says received. It's just like, how do I know that the judge is going to see this? And it's really, really frustrating when you have people who don't care about their jobs in these positions, and they just do whatever. There's protocols that the courts have, and yeah, so that's why I'm a little frustrated. I'm also frustrated that I even got to do all of this because other people, it's not even me, guys. I know it may seem like it's me because I'm on these different cases or whatever, but it's not me. It's a motherfucker fucking with me. So when people mess with you and they poke the bear, you gotta show them who you are. And so I'm about to show them who I am, and that's okay. If whatever they're doing on their ends, they gotta do, and I gotta do what I got to do. So I'm gonna do what I got to do. So eventually, we gonna see what's up in court, and see what's going on. So people just think that they can just do things to you and do things to your children, and you won't do anything. And I swear to God, people have caught me good at this age, because when I was younger, I didn't think like this. Okay? I wasn't probably up to this type of part, I was more of like, well, let's go whoop that ass. Let's go. But I'm no longer like that. I'm willing to go in these courts and fight and battle, especially when it's some stuff. And don't mind my little wig. I don't care, y'all. I don't care. I love myself, so that's all that matters. But yeah, so that's the reason why I haven't even been able to even give you guys any of the segments that I want to do. My life is full, y'all. It's full. And I've just been tired. But we do have date night this Sunday on the 14th. It's date night. Every 14th of the month is going to be date night. I don't care what day it is or what time it is or whatever. We going to go out because I deserve. I hate my little dry. Everything called. I always get it too. Nahari get it too. No, I don't. That's weird, huh? Anyway, it's still there too. Dry skin. Anyway, I want to get into these segments and do so much, but I do have a deadline coming up with this response brief. I'm going to have to also go to courts on different issues. And so as much as I want to do some creativeness, I'm just going to have to figure out how to stick it in there, So today I'm just going to, I wanted to do some meditation or paint, and I never really get to that stuff. I never I've really been, the beginning of January has just been hectic. I never get to that stuff. I'm always doing the mommy hoods or the, cleaning up or, I got a little bit of a love life and, it ain't much, but, I got a little bit of a love life. So, I got to mix all this stuff up. But the best part is, though, this is all trial and error. This is nothing that, I have to do. But I want to keep the commitment to try to do something, try to do some of my segments. There are people that I want to collab with and, get together. But, hey, I guess as the time unfolds, as January unfolds, it's showing me exactly what I got on my plate. And then, so that's that. I guess we could talk about smoking, but I'll end this one and do another one to check in with the smoking, okay?